This animation represents our end goal, an AI agent autonomously reviewing a complex codebase, applying strict quality rubrics, and generating a structured pull request without you typing a single line of code. We are implementing a workflow known as vibe coding. In this model, you specify your high-level intent in natural language, and the IDE handles the underlying implementation and terminal execution. To achieve this level of automation, we will walk through 3 specific steps: installing an official marketplace plugin, sideloading a custom local skill, and configuring the agent to execute. You will need 2 things to follow along: Cursor IDE version 3.2.11 or higher, and an active project workspace. Completing this setup provides your local environment with the infrastructure needed to perform complex, multi-file refactors and security audits autonomously. We begin with the primary interface. Open the command palette in Cursor and type Marketplace to access the built-in registry of official tools. Use the search bar to find specialized extensions. We'll use the Thermos plugin as our example. It's an internal tool built by the Cursor team to conduct deep dive code reviews. When you click Install, the status will shift to Loaded. This confirms that the plugin's logic is now accessible to the AI agent. To verify the setup, check your workspace settings. The Thermos plugin should appear in the active list, indicating it is ready for use. These marketplace plugins provide the AI with domain-specific cognitive capabilities, such as identifying logic flaws or enforcing specific style guides that are not part of the standard model. If you are building your own tools or using unreleased skills, you need to sideload them. This requires moving out of the IDE and into your local file system. Open your terminal or file explorer and navigate to the hidden directory at c.cursor/plugins/local. Place your unzipped custom plugin folder directly into this path. Avoid dropping the folder into the plugins/cache/local directory used for temporary files. Placing files there causes the IDE to fail during skill discovery, leading to corrupted configurations that prevent the plugin from loading. Precision in this file structure is necessary. The AI agent cannot access or execute your custom local tools if the directory path is incorrect. To connect the agent to external services like Salesforce or Google Workspace, Cursor uses the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. Inside your plugin directory, locate and open the MCP.json or plugin.json file. These lines define how the plugin communicates, either through standard input-output for local scripts or via remote HTTP endpoints. Never save your raw APIs directly in these JSON files. Hard-coding credentials makes them vulnerable to exfiltration or accidental commits to public repositories. This variable syntax is the secure method. Set your credentials as a local environment variable in your terminal, and the IDE will safely interpolate the token at runtime. For those in enterprise environments, note that background cloning of private plugins may fail if your Git settings block the interactive prompts required for OAuth authentication. A secure MCP configuration allows the agent to interact with live external data without exposing your corporate credentials. With the tools installed and the connection secured, open the Cursor Chat or Composer interface to begin. Type a natural language prompt that triggers the plugin. For this example, we will ask for a thermonuclear branch review. The agent takes your prompt, splitting the workload into parallel streams, referencing the YAML skills and Markdown rules to guide its reasoning. You'll see it autonomously execute terminal commands and generate multi-file code changes based on your installed plugins. This sequence of automated commands and code edits confirms the agent is successfully utilizing its new engineering logic to handle the task. You've integrated a marketplace plugin, deployed a custom local tool, and verified an MCP-powered workflow. For a wider range of pre-built tools, visit the official Cursor Plugins repository on GitHub, which hosts advanced developer utilities and enterprise integrations. If you need to deploy these custom tools across a full engineering organization, investigate the Team Marketplaces feature in the Cursor dashboard for centralized management. Your development environment is now fully configured and ready to handle complex, autonomous task orchestration across your entire project. Understanding these installation and security protocols provides the technical foundation needed to build and manage your own custom AI agent workflows.